Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys where to get the best spatial wallpapers for your iOS 26 device. Now, I've shown you before where to get wallpapers that have the depth effect, but these are different. The spatial wallpapers are really amazing. It is a new feature of iOS 26, so of course if you want to use these wallpapers you will need to have a device on iOS 26. Now, before we get into all that, I just want to ask you guys for a really quick favor. Most of you guys that watch my videos are currently not subscribed to the channel, so if you enjoy the videos and you want to see more of them, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. It will really help the channel a lot. And we're starting things off with a few apps here, and then I will show you guys a few other places where you can get these amazing spatial effect wallpapers for your iPhone. Now, just keep in mind that these are not the same as the depth effect wallpapers, so even though a wallpaper might not have the depth effect, it still can work as a spatial wallpaper. And we're starting things off with MyScreen. This is a new app that you can get from the App Store for free, and you can see right here it has a few different categories. If you go to things like, we can see right here, fluid time, you can go ahead and find some really beautiful wallpapers. And as you can see, these also have the depth effect, but they will also have this amazing spatial effect feature, which makes your lock screen look totally different. Now, right there at the top, you can just go ahead and switch between different categories. So you can see right here we have different categories that we can go to. Then we have depth effect wallpapers here, best for parallax. These are the wallpapers that will look the best with a spatial effect, so you can see them right here. So they're actually really awesome. Now, if you want to download any of them, you tap right here and you will be able to swipe here between different wallpapers, and of course go ahead and download them to your device. Next will be WallpX. This is also another awesome wallpaper app, and you can see it has the liquid glass design, which is really awesome. So right here we'll have the depth effect wallpapers. All of these of course will look really good with the new spatial effect feature, but then you will have the top wallpapers right here. You can go to shuffle, where it will just show you random wallpapers, and then you will also have the most popular wallpapers right here that you can get for your device. You can also go to the catalog right here, where you will basically find like different collections of wallpaper that you can get for your device. So you will have the depth effect right there, you have dynamic island wallpapers, so then you will have of course all kinds of different wallpapers that you can get for your iPhone. So here you can see the new ones, the depth effect, the dynamic island, you will have shuffle right there again, you will have top of the month and abstract, and all kinds of different wallpapers that you can get right now for your device. Next up is Wallbyte. Now, this is also a new wallpaper app. So right here you will find the home screen where you will have the premium wallpapers, the trending wallpapers right here, and then you will also have the free wallpapers. All of these will look absolutely amazing on your device. Now, again, when trying to find wallpapers that do have like that spatial effect on your lock screen, try to find wallpapers that actually have like a subject in the middle of the wallpaper. That way it looks much better. So you can see these like abstract wallpapers won't actually work. You can have to find something that does have like something in the middle, like this one right here, or this one with Spider-Man right there. These will look absolutely beautiful on the lock screen of your device. Again, once there's like a subject that is more focused than the other things, than the background on the wallpaper, then it will look much better. And then we have like the old school wallpaper apps like Wallcraft, which is my favorite. It offers a lot of wallpapers for your device, and you can see right here we have the home screen where you can find of course all kinds of different wallpapers that will look really beautiful with the lock screen of your device, and of course the new spatial effect. Again, every time you try to get these wallpapers, try to find something that does have a subject in the middle, which looks really awesome. Like downloading this one won't actually work, this one right here will look absolutely stunning with the spatial effect. Now with this app, you can go here, take a look at how it will look on your lock screen. You can download it from here. You can download the original size or have it cropped automatically to adapt the portrait, of course, to the settings of your iPhone. And then right here, you can just go to other related wallpapers, which is actually really awesome. This way you can find more wallpapers of the kind that you actually like. Another OG will be the Wallpaper Central. Again, an amazing app. It has been redesigned completely since iOS 26. You can see it has that really cool liquid glass design. And here are the wallpapers that actually look really awesome. This will look absolutely stunning with the new spatial effect feature of iOS 26. They can even go to the depth section right here where you can only find depth effect wallpapers. Again, it is not necessary for a wallpaper to have the depth effect to actually work with the spatial effect of iOS 26, but it does work. Of course, it looks much better if it also has the depth effect. You can get some really nice looks on your device with the spatial effect like this one right here. You can see this if you use this on your lock screen. I have tried this on my device. If you use this, it won't actually work with the depth effect, but once you turn on the spatial effect on the lock screen, you will then get this effect right here, which looks absolutely stunning. Next up, we're moving to X. Now, recently I've used X for most of my wallpapers that I have on my videos. And you can probably see that. Now, I'm sharing every link of every wallpaper that I use on the description of the video, on every of my video, and you can see most of them are from X accounts, like this one right here. You can see how cool it is. It will have that spatial effect, which looks amazing. So this is AN Wallpapers. You can go ahead and follow him and just basically find all kinds of amazing wallpapers. And we have more here. If we go to unique wallpapers, again, you will find wallpapers that do work with a spatial effect, but other wallpapers that not necessarily have to use with that feature, but that will look amazing on the lock screen of your device. With the spatial effect, this will look absolutely stunning. And then you will have other ones that are actually really good, like this one right here. You can see you have a preview, and you also have like the wallpaper, which when you download from X, make sure you always tap and hold and load them in 4K and then download them to your device. And now let's move to Reddit. Now, I have here two subreddits that I use. First of them will be Depth Effect Wallpaper. Again, I will have to say that it is not necessary to have the depth effect for what I'm showing you, but it does actually look amazing. And right here you will find really beautiful wallpapers. And as you can see, you will get new wallpapers almost daily because all kinds of users right here will actually post wallpapers. And you can see right here, how cool does this wallpaper look with this spatial effect? You can see how good that looks. It is actually amazing. So right here you will find the wallpapers. Of course, most of them will post the wallpaper in high quality, like you can see the preview right here. But then once you go into the post, you will also get the wallpaper here that you can go ahead and download to your device. And last but not least will be another subreddit called iPhone Wallpapers. Again, always amazing wallpapers for your iOS 26 device. You can go here and browse all kinds of different wallpapers. Most of them will look amazing with a spatial effect feature. Like a lot of them also have like previews here of how they will look once you apply them to your device. But again, really high quality and really interesting wallpapers that will make your device look absolutely stunning. Again, as you can see right here, you will have previews. Also, the full screen wallpaper you can just go ahead and download from here. So that's basically it for this video, guys. These are some of the places where you can get some of the best wallpapers that do offer a spatial effect on your iOS 26 device. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and of course, all the wallpapers that I showed you guys. If you want to get any of these apps, you can go ahead and check them out on the pinned comment. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.